Why practice mindful email checking?
Mindful email checking helps you avoid overwhelm, increases focus, and reduces stress. Instead of constantly reacting to notifications, you approach your inbox with intention. This simple shift can boost productivity and keep anxiety at bay, making your digital life more manageable. Mindful email habits create a more balanced relationship with your technology.
Step 1. Set clear email check times.
Start by deciding on specific times during the day to check your email, rather than reacting to every notification. For example, you might check your inbox once in the morning, once after lunch, and once before ending your workday. This reduces distractions and helps train your mind to focus on one task at a time.
Step 2. Prepare before opening your inbox.
Before you open your email, pause and take a few slow, deep breaths. Notice how you're feeling. Are you anxious, rushed, or calm? Setting a calm and purposeful intention helps you approach your inbox with clarity. Remind yourself that you're in control of when and how you respond.
Step 3. Focus on one email at a time.
When checking emails, give your full attention to one message at a time. Read each email carefully. Resist the urge to jump between emails or multitask. Being present with each message helps you respond thoughtfully and reduces the chance of missing important information or feeling overwhelmed.
Step 4. Respond mindfully or take action.
After reading, decide on your next action. Reply, file, or delete. If it requires a reply, take a moment to compose a clear and considerate response. If it needs more thought, add it to a task list rather than leaving it in your inbox. This prevents messages from piling up and lowers mental clutter.
Step 5. Take a mindful break.
Once you've completed your email session, close your inbox and take a short break. Stand up, stretch, or look away from your screen. This pause helps refresh your mind before you move on to your next task and reinforces your mindful approach to technology use.